Christmas is all about.
Hey guys, so it is Tuesday, December 15th, and okay, I really realized I haven't picked any Christmas gifts whatsoever. Don't mind my whole mess. Like, I'm literally in my cocoon, just freaking trying to edit this podcast episode for tomorrow. It's literally an hour and 23 minutes. The longest that we ever have done a podcast episode. And I also been working on getting our email and then setting up like photo shoots and stuff so we can, you know, post for Instagram and also start doing, because we officially decided that we do want to do a YouTube podcast live thing, but you know, COVID still is going on, so it's gonna take a little bit of time for us to do it. And also we will be taking the tests of like anyone who ever comes near us. We all will be taking a test before we even get together or anything else, because we want to be, you know, safe as we can be. But yeah, right now I don't know, but I haven't bought any freaking Christmas gifts because it's been a whole lot of a journey and just a whole lot of work. And I am doing like a Christmas collection sale that will be coming out, which I just had an approval today of everything that I wanted and set, and will be set for next week. You'll see promotional videos by next week on my Instagram and everything else. But we're gonna go on Amazon Prime because I know Prime will be a little bit more faster, and we're gonna go get some Christmas gifts on Amazon because at least, you know, get a little bit something. My brother said he didn't want anything. My dad said he never wants anything, but I know, you know, the little things, you know, can help. So we're gonna do that. And then we're just gonna wait, and hopefully by Friday they come in and I can, well, be able to wrap them. But let's get this Amazon ship going. I do have to finish this freaking podcast. Oh, by the way, I did update my computer to the new Big Sur thing, and I know a lot of people were having difficulties downloading it. Carla had a little bit issues. She has to bring the computer all the way to the freaking Apple store, which is like unbelievable and stressful, but it will be fixed because they said it was a software issue, so she will get that done by Friday. But I updated, and I really like the new aesthetic way that it is. But guys, you know, like, I fucking love anime, and my first anime was Inuyasha. If you don't know Inuyasha, you should check it out. But this is my fucking wallpaper, and I fucking adore it. Do you see this wallpaper? Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. I fucking love Chishiro, and I fucking love Inuyasha. This was in my background. I always change it time to time, but I keep it for a long time. That would be my freaking shit. But I can't wait to see what I'm gonna get. I do have some stuff that I do want to show, and I will be posting another fucking Shein haul because I have bought more stuff from Shein. Like I said, the first one is just half of the stuff that I have bought. The second one I'm still going to do. You guys really like the TikTok horror videos that I see. What I am gonna ask probably is for you guys to, you know, send me through Twitter or Instagram or my email TikTok videos that you think are scary that I should be reacting to. And also for the podcast, we were establishing new segments to do. So basically you guys will email us. Like I said, I was doing our email address so we can well, email, so we can get email from you guys. So if you need any advice, anything that you're going through, be anonymous as you want. We will answer it during the podcast. Make it a little bit more fun and relatable and not sugarcoat shit. So basically everything that we were doing. But yeah, let me finish this and I'll be back to you guys once I finish what I'm gonna get for Christmas. Yay. Okay, so I gotten some of the stuff already. I'm just gonna wait. Some of them is gonna come either Friday, Saturday, and Monday, which is perfectly fine because that will give me time to literally wrap gifts and put it on a tree for this year, you know, have a little bit of gift time. But it's just simple small things that I got in for, you know, for them. But for Andrew, I'm thinking, well, I have to finish this painting, which I want to finish it by next week, so I can also wrap it, well, have it dry, then wrap it up, and then give it to him. So that will be starting tomorrow that I'll be doing it, because right now I am still doing the freaking podcast episode, but I think I'm taking a break because I want to eat salmon. For some reason I want to eat a salmon salad, so we're gonna get some salmon salad. We have salmon in the refrigerator, so we're gonna defrost that and then we're gonna make some salmon. So we got some salmon. I am making right now. Like, this is how I do it. Literally on the side I just put some fish seasoning, some garlic, and some salt, literally. And you know, we got tomatoes, lettuce. I'm gonna put some peppers, onions, and my favorite so far. What? What?
No le debo a ti, así
Hello.
Ah, que tú
He didn't know I was recording.
Recuerda que tú me enseñas a quién era.
With a camera?
Mira quién ¿eh?
With a camera?
¿Qué sé yo? Yo estaba viendo que era cámara. Yo estaba viendo. Poner
I'm weak. But yes.
Estoy grabando eso para. ¿Qué?
YouTube?
¿Eh?
YouTube?
Oh, ¿es YouTube?
Go. Ramen is done, and I will be, like I said before I even made fun of my father, I have the everything bagel topping seasoning. It's been one of my freaking favorites, and I just like to use it all over my salads and any other dressing. It's freaking good. I got this for like $4 in Burlington in the food section. And what I'm gonna do is I'm probably either gonna get this guacamole sauce. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this. The guacamole sauce. It's a little bit mild. I did put onions and I did put peppers. And bon appetit for a little snacky at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I literally was sitting here just chilling and doing something with the podcast episode that I just literally had the urge to paint. Literally just to paint. I was doing his painting. I started doing his painting. All I did was the skin tones, so I won't have to do skin tones again. I'm waiting for it to dry properly. He says he likes it like that, like the first skin tone, so I'm gonna leave it just the first layer, and then I'll do the outline and stuff. The next thing is just the two other characters do, well, the one that has the most colors is Deku, the middle one, and then this other one only has like shade of purple for the rest of it, like 2 shades of purple, like a dark purple, oh, and it does have a red, but like red dots on the eyes, so that one is easier. And then the Goku one, I have to finish some certain areas and then try to outline again the points that he has on his skin, which will be faster than usual. So I'm literally gonna pack everything back in the box and organize, and then go back to editing the podcast because I still have a long way to go. And I only did 20 minutes and I'm like literally an hour in something. It's just a long ass podcast. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I really didn't vlog the nighttime because I was so freaking tired. My brain was drained, so I literally just knocked out, well, ate, knocked out. But I literally told you guys yesterday that I was supposed to get the Christmas presents. I already received half of it, and all we gotta do is start wrapping paper. Well, I have wrapping paper. Start wrapping it up and stuff. I am filming another TikTok video because I have to post 3 of them, and then, or I'm probably just gonna post 2 today, and then later on I'll post a 3rd one. But I also have to today finish the podcast episode. Like I said, it's 3. It's literally an hour and 23 minutes long, and I have to finish. I only did 20 minutes. I know. So we're gonna do that, and I'm also cooking. So, oh, and then I have to edit some of the clothing so I can do the video and upload it to my computer so I can distribute it to next week's Black Friday discounts and new collection Christmas sale stuff. Numbers are approved and everything like I said yesterday, but yes, I'm gonna open this package and we're gonna see how it looks, and then we're gonna figure out how we're gonna wrap it and stuff. I am going to start wrapping tonight because we need to, and I need to keep it hidden or something. I still have other ones that need to come in. They said probably tomorrow or Friday and Saturday. These are supposed to come Friday, but they came today, so we have enough. So yeah, let's get the day started. By the way, it's only 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so right now I have about a meeting, like the short meeting. So I'm gonna go to this meeting and I'm going to then do editing because I need to do editing. But yeah, let me go to the meeting and I'll be right back. It went Gucci. We're gonna just start editing, but first I wanted to go. I keep saying first every single time, but I do have to do this accordingly. And it's basically the t-shirt. I literally, this set, I've been so hard on myself on this set that I really freaking like it, but my designs for like the shirt is getting to me. So I'm just okay, cool. I'm just going to, I like literally had a realization last night on how I can make it a little bit better than it was. So because it's a whole freaking collection, and like whole, I think we can make this work. So really like, okay, I like that a lot better than before. I'm not gonna show you guys. You're gonna see in the videos where I'm gonna post it. Well, probably I'll post it with this video because this video is gonna be for next week. So we shall see. Well, no, prior next week. No, prior of that. So yeah, we're gonna do this, and I think this should be it. And I know I put the prizes. Okay. I put the prices on some of them. Hey guys, so I relaxed a little bit because I finished the podcast, editing it and everything. We did end the podcast episode on the 23rd due to, you know, the holidays, end of the year stuff, and relaxing, and then also figuring out for season 2 of the podcast, which is fucking crazy that we are about to be in season 2 of our podcast, which is great. I'm gonna draw down some ideas and do some, you know, future reference stuff that I need to handle, because after that I'll just be vlogging and doing TikTok stuff to relax my mind and stuff. And I am doing the end of the year video recap, which will be a very, very, very intimate one this year. But right now I am going to wrap the 2 gifts that just came in, because I wanted it to wrap. I don't want to wrap everything in one day, so wrap 2 of the gifts that came in, and then I believe tomorrow and Friday will be coming in another Amazon package. So let's get to packing and wrapping. Good morning, guys, and today is Thursday morning, and last night was a huge, when I say huge, blizzard storm in New York City, and everybody wanted white Christmas. Now everybody's like, F this shit. This is how it looks outside my window. I will show you. It looks like a white freaking wonderland, which I don't like. I like the aesthetic and everything. The white Christmas is very slippery. It's extremely motherfucking cold outside. They did in advance clean the streets and everything, but it's still snowing. Like, I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but it is still snowing, and it will be snowing the whole day until tomorrow or Saturday. So it'll be like a 3-day blizzard type of thing. But also the transportation is shut down in New York. Literally, my mom lives in Jersey, and she said her transportation is shut down also until, when was it? She said until this afternoon or tomorrow. So there's no way for you to get anywhere unless you have a car. And if you do have a car, it will be a little bit of a hassle, because literally it's dug up into snow. Like, I literally see this whole family trying to get the snow out so they can, I believe, get the car out of there, but simply it's not working for them. So it's a stay in type of vibe today, and we're just going to chill and finish some of the work that we have done. I am figuring out for season 2 of the podcast, which will be in the middle of January or the end of January. I have to see, because I do want to have a little bit of a break before we go ham with the podcast episodes. I do have a conference call today and a little bit of planning for the videos that I'm going to do either tomorrow or the weekend, so I can have it uploaded for January. Like I said, have a little break and be a little, you know, bit free before I take a break. But yeah, that's about it. I do want to go outside and play in the snow, but do I want to have a hassle and be in the cold? No, I don't. It is snowing. It just got a little bit more tighter. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, by the way, I did receive Savage Fenty's lingerie, which I will be testing out, doing photos, promoting shit. Well, not promoting, but you know, just putting it on, show you what I got and everything. I only got 3 pieces, not that much, because I did wanted to test it out, but you know, everything beyond this. I did the wrapping papers, wrapping the gifts last night, put the names, and I put them in my, like, the Shein bags, like these little bags. I put them in, and literally, it looks like I have fucking clothes in it, because that's what I got. I have 3 more of those bags, which I will put them in when the other stuff comes in, and I'll wrap them up. And we'll be like, hey, I bought you guys gifts, and I have to finish this painting. Literally, probably going to paint this Saturday, but this is what I got so far. Literally, this is what I got so far. The Goku is almost finished. The only thing that I gotta do for the Goku is either do the little details of the face and the body, that little muscle details, and then also just get either a black marker that I have and start to outline everything so it can pop a little bit more, and you know, the messy streaks. And then I will also have to do Deku and this other man that I don't know or remember the name of. But yeah, after that it will be done. Only major thing that I will probably do is, like, I'm thinking of doing like a sparkle white paint on it. I'm not sure, to make it look artistic and stuff. But this will be finished by Monday. Hopefully by Monday I will finish it. But yeah, let's go back and I'll see you guys later. This is how serious the snow thing was. Like, look at my AC. That's how much snow is on top of my AC. Literally on my AC. Which is fucking crazy. But right now, I'm getting tired and exhausted. Because you guys already know, but I'm anemic. So what I do to make iced coffee is I leave it for a couple of hours in the freezer, and it looks like this. Oh, by the way, I ordered online on Amazon basically the Dunkin' Donut French vanilla coffee beans, which I freaking love, because now instead of me buying like the K-cups every single time, I decided that, well, my cousin told me that I could use these reusable ones. Literally, I get the coffee grind for less than what these K-cups are, because I know just this for 24 of this is like literally $29, where I have the 4-pack and like the coffee grinds from BJ's for like $6, and it comes in 4 packs. All I gotta do is literally, I have to put it in here. Literally, you put it here, open, put it some, close it, and then put it in the Curate just as regular K-cups. So that is a stat lifesaver. So I got this, and I always get the Dunkin' Donuts fresh vanilla coffee. So we're gonna make a nice coffee my way, and we're gonna drink it, because to be honest, I am getting tired and we have work to do. I am waiting for my best friend and co-host for the podcast, for the final podcast. Right now, the final podcast of the year. And it will be, well, this will probably be up already, but no, it won't be up. This will probably be, well, the podcast will be probably up already, but it will be December 23rd will be the last episode. I'm still trying to plan what to actually put, or like what to do for the season 2 of the podcast, and I'm planning to do a lot of stuff for the podcast because I really enjoy it. She really enjoys it. Like, she's not used to doing like social media things and doing other like appearance and talking, so this is kind of like a step up to her. And yeah, I'm gonna make my coffee and then we'll talk more. So I already got my coffee, it's here, but yeah, I was saying I'm trying to plan different things for the podcast. She's not used to doing anything social media wise with like stuff that I do with social media's influencer shit. So she really enjoys doing the podcast. So we're gonna do the podcast episode, the final one, today when she gets her stuff and she's at her friend's house. And then we're going to, I don't know if we're gonna edit. I feel like I should edit it because I know tomorrow, Saturday, and Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week will be a very hectic day because I do have a deadline for the new collection video promo that I have to do, which I am doing it right now, but there's still a lot of things. Wrapping up gifts and also doing, what else I have to do? Oh yeah, writing down everything, and then and definitely Monday I have a fucking meeting from 10 to 10:15 for a business meeting. So it's gonna be a hectic freaking end of the year type of thing because we're starting fresh for 2021, and hopefully we are literally better. But I know big and positive things are going to happen in 2021 because I have a lot of things already lined up to be happening. And I have to be ready because it's going to be a whole lot of work. But you know, chose this. But yeah, I'm going to continue doing the promo video, and then I will be seeing if she's there. But I think I'm going to order some coffee, like the coffee grind, because I know the Dunkin' Donuts one is already almost over because my brother loves that one. So I'm probably gonna do that, order that, and I'm gonna order some coffee grind, like I think some Starbucks holiday coffee thing, and I do want to get some hot chocolate. Probably do that, we'll see. Hey guys, so I literally just stood here for like a couple of minutes because I'm so exhausted. I've been awake since 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm just tired, even though I did literally just had coffee. It just doesn't work for me. But I'm gonna probably get up and make a salmon salad. I'm not sure yet. What I have done is I have literally finished part of the promo video. Then I'm probably gonna continue to do the end of the year video that I always do, but it's a little bit more dramatic, not dramatic, but like more cinematic type of view. But I also have written down a brand new song Well, I have like 2 that I have written just because I was in the moment. And then you guys can see I'm tired. Vector in the background just like literally woke up too. And then I literally just wrote a couple things that I need to do for starting the 2021 for my future, because I was supposed to get a start doing the steps to get a townhome, because I was literally debating if I should get a home outside of New York City, but since my dad can't leave New York City because of his health conditions, I'm going to just right now see how I can be a townhouse owner. And everything was planned out for this year, but Corona happened and just switches a lot of things. So now I'm just going to start the process in 2021 to see how everything is planned out. I've been having some people help me with like some tips that are owners of homes that are also like my friends and stuff. But I did decide on just staying in New York right now, because it was supposed to go to California, but yeah, shit happens, and I'm going to be staying in New York for right now. And probably in the future I'm really decisive of either like building a house from the scratch up, or just looking at places and picking a house, brand new modern type of house thing. So I'm still debating on it, but yeah, that's what basically I've been doing. I also am looking for like a financial person and stuff. So yeah, tomorrow I do have a freaking meeting, and we switched plans. We are for sure getting Chipotle, and then tonight I'll do like a little salmon thing. But I'm trying to like stop eating like any kind of bread, rice, because as a Hispanic we eat a lot of that. But I'm trying, don't look at me like that. So yeah, I'm trying to like minimize it. So in the mornings I just do like a fluffy egg with fruit and stuff. You guys will see in what I eat in a day. I am recording it and it will be out in January, so you'll get to see it. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for my Chipotle, and then I'm just gonna chill, eat when it comes, and then continue to work on a couple of things, and then hopefully later on we can do the podcast episode, and well, the final one, and then just relax for the rest of the night, because tomorrow I do have a meeting at 1 o'clock on Zoom. Then I have to finish some certain stuff, and then certain gifts are coming in that I have to fucking wrap. It's gonna be a hectic day after that. So, and then Monday I do have a meeting, a business meeting. Ugh. But yeah, but we'll see.